What's up, my fellow YouTubers? Today, the other part of my 300EX wiring hacked project, where I finally got the diagram to pull up, and as you can see, everything is color coordinated from the headlight all the way back to the tail light, and everything, as you can see, it got how everything's supposed to be, where it's supposed to go, and you know. But I downloaded the PDF offline. You can easily get that offline for free. But starting from the headlight, well, the handlebar switch. This the handlebar switch right here. These the wires to go to the brake, reverse, and all that. But these wires right here, they all go to my lights. I found out which ones that run. This go to the front light, and it's running all the way back to this ignition core. Finally got this plugged up right. They had these wires in the wrong spot, so I just found the right ones to go to it, and a rectifier, and got everything plugged up, so I'll be able to plug everything up, and I'll let you guys know how it goes, how it turn out.